Welcome to Nonthaburi, where the charm of old Thailand meets the vibrant buzz of local life. Today, we're diving into this city's hidden gems, from authentic street food stalls to must-visit local attractions. If you think Bangkok has it all, wait until you see what Nonthaburi brings to the table. Join us as we stroll through bustling markets, savor unique flavors, and uncover the stories behind the city's landmarks. Grab a snack, sit back, and let's explore Nonthaburi together. As always, we will start our exploration with some eating. This shop is already widely known, so anyone who comes here must stop by. Our initial plan is to visit the Museum of Nonthaburi, but it happens that video recording is not allowed inside. So let us check out this old architecture instead. Next, let's drop by Nonthaburi Market and get some snack first. Our next destination is in Nonthaburi One Alley. Lately, this museum has brought AR technology to elevate the audience's immersive experience.
ใช้สร้างความเป็นอันกระทำผิดให้แก่ประชาชนให้ส
No need to download any app, just use the internet browser in your phone. This small museum is packed with historical tidbits. It is definitely worth a visit. Then we're back on our route to get some lunch. Desserts after meal is a must. We're really looking forward to this shop. Then we take the Purpler Line train to the Owl Market.
Cáiหมูเขาไม่ค่อยใส่แล้วมันแพงมากกล่องละ35 2 อย่าง35จะนั่งคุยกันต่อปลาค่ะปลาเดี๋ยวดูลองขายไปไหนเนี่ยขายไปจะขายตรงไหน
Well, it's time to get back to Nonthaburi Pier. We would like to recommend you to plan your trip so that you can return on the last boat from Nonthaburi back to Bangkok. The night cruise along Chao Phraya River is so amazing. Don't miss this at all cost. Thanks for joining us on this tour through Nonthaburi's vibrant food spots and hidden gems. We hope this gives you a taste of what this amazing area has to offer. We'll leave you with the incredible scene of the night cruise. If you enjoy our journey, you can click video in the link for more of our video. Our channel updates new videos every Friday at 3 p.m. See you.